This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. In the wake of COVID-19, we appeal to our listeners not to lower the guard, take all precautions, and all those above 45 years of age who have taken the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated with the second dose at the scheduled time. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. National helplines are operational for providing COVID-related information and guidance to the people. The national helpline number is 011-239-78046 and 011-239-71075, and the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. In view of reporting of Omicron, the new variant of COVID-19, the Union Health Ministry has revised guidelines for international arrivals in India to be effective from today. The ministry has mandated submitting 14 days travel details, uploading negative RT-PCR test report on Air Suvidha portal before the journey. The RT-PCR test should have been conducted within 72 hours prior to undertaking the journey. Meanwhile, Home Ministry has asked the states and union territories to go for regular screening and testing of all international arrivals. Home Ministry has extended the COVID-19 guidelines issued under the Disaster Management Act till 31st of December. Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh yesterday inspected the erstwhile headquarters of Indian National Army at Moirang Kanjen Bamleke, which is being developed as a historical tourist site by the state government at a cost of 35 crore rupees. It was at this site that the Indian tricolour was hoisted by the fighters of INA for the first time on Indian soil during World War II in 1944. The old building, which was used by the INA as their office, still exists at the complex. The site was protected by some private owners of the locality since 1944. However, they have handed over the land to the government on the condition that they are provided land compensation. Manipur Chief Minister Biren Singh yesterday inaugurated the virtual Cherry Blossom Mao Festival 2021 in the presence of Ambassador of Japan to India, Satoshi Suzuki. Speaking as chief guest of the function, Biren Singh said that there are many similarities between Manipur and Japan in terms of culture, tradition, and this could be explored through such festivals. The Hornbill Festival, the biggest cultural extravaganza of Nagaland, kicked off with colourful rendition of traditional music, dances and contemporary in one roof at Naga Heritage Village, Kisama, yesterday. Addressing the opening ceremony, Governor of Assam and Nagaland, Professor Jagdish Mukhi said Nagaland has rich culture, tradition and customs which are unique. The dance and music are well known even outside the country. He urged the young Naga generations to take pride in the tradition and also to preserve and promote the rich cultural heritage of the state. He said the Government of India, under the dynamic leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, is committed to ensure development of the region. The Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Working President James Lyngdoh and former General Secretary Manash Das Gupta yesterday resigned from the Indian National Congress Party, citing mismanagement. Despite serving the party for 33 years, the working president alleged that the state Congress leadership has sidelined him. Lyngdoh told reporters at Shillong Press Club that no work left for him in Congress. He further added that it would be very difficult for Congress to come back to power with the present leadership in the state and at the centre. As part of the World AIDS Day celebrations, Meghalaya Aids Control Society yesterday organized a bike-cum-vintage car rally in the city to spread awareness against the stigmatization of HIV patients. Speaking on the occasion, the project director of MACS, Dr. R. Alia, informed that there are 5,000 registered HIV patients with more than 6,000 HIV patients who are yet to come forward. In West Jaintia Hills district, the program was held at Lo Mosyang Market Molong taxi stand in 2 separate programs at the same venue organized by Society for Urban and Rural Empowerment in support by Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. While the other functions were organized by Woodland Hospital under the theme End Inequalities, End AIDS. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.